Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Shosha and yes this is your host अलमदार खान और आपको पता है कि हमेशा की तरह हम लोगों के पास कोई ना कोई इंटरेस्टिंग गेस्ट होता है और आज बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग गेस्ट इसलिए भी है क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली जिस फील्ड में मैं हूँ उस फील्ड में सख्त ज़रूरत होती है उनकी सपोर्ट की उनकी मेहनत की जो उन्होंने सारी की है बट नॉट टू फॉरगेट दैट ही इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट अमेजिंग फिटनेस इंडिविजुअल्स दैट आई नो एंड आई हैव कम अक्रॉस सो फार। हसन भाई अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम अलमदार भाई, कैसे हैं आप?
बिल्कुल ठीक सर, आप बताएं हाउ आर यू डूइंग?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह,
यू लुक ग्रेट ऑलरेडी, माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह। हसन भाई, इन द इंडस्ट्री ऑफ कोर्स आपकी जर्नी के बारे में क्योंकि मैं चाहूँगा कि सारी आवाम को भी पता चल सके, सो सबसे पहला यूजुअली मेरा सवाल होता है अपनी ऑडियंस का जो भी आए गेस्ट हो तो पूछता हूँ कि यार आखिर हसन है कौन?
just another next to ordinary boy, nothing special, and the reason जिस वजह से मैंने शुरू किया and I've spoken about it openly before as well is just because I thought sometimes one answer leads to another, right?
Right.
I came across this answer that weight training or any sort of training for that matter is the best behavior modification tool you could ever find.
Right.
And it worked for me. And
Right.
since then, the past 15 years, I've tried to connect with people who I believe can take the same advantage from it the way I have. And that's pretty much to it. It was never for any aesthetic reasons or cosmetic reasons. It was never like that. In fact, I was very intimidated in the beginning. The पहली बार मैंने एक जो पहला gym join किया, so I was very intimidated.
Right.
All of these big guys over there training and sweating and screaming. So it wasn't exactly on my to-do list.
Right.
But I was directed by a very generous and a very kind, a very wise doctor back in Dubai. Her name was Dr. Anna.
Right.
And she tried to make this into a behavior modification tool for me. She directed me towards this.
ठीक है.
And when I started, it worked for me. And then I said, there are lots of other people who can get the same advantage of it and get the same catharsis from it the way I have.
Right.
So that's what I've been doing the past 15 years.
So basically, you are basically saying that you initiated or stepped into the fitness regime कि मैंने शो नहीं मारनी, मैंने कुछ नहीं करना है, मैंने सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने डिसिप्लिन, अपने फोकस, अपने लाइफस्टाइल को चेंज करना है for the better
back
good.
then 2009 2010 आपको भी पता होगा कि उस वक्त वैसे भी इतना इस चीज पे वैसे भी जोर नहीं था.
बिल्कुल, I remember that.
ये तो अब in the past 8-9 years आपको अब फिजिक पे इतना emphasis नजर आता है.
Right.
When I was a teenager back in 2010,
Right.
तो it was never for the reason के I'll go to the gym. अच्छा, और ऐसी अगर को आपका शौक होता भी है कि आपने सिर्फ aesthetically या cosmetically करना है,
Right.
you don't survive that long anyway. So your reason has to be far more greater to get started anyways.
Well, that's
Else you just fizzle out.
So that's a bigger subject जिस पे definitely I wanted to discuss कि aesthetics आजकल obviously नई generation for those who want to step into the industry everybody is looking for that aesthetic shortcut.
Yeah.
I want to discuss more of that as well because you've seen how the regime works, you've seen how जितने भी आपको पता चलता है स्टेरॉइड ओवरडोज हो गई है और जो वक्ती तौर पे अपने आप को फिलर्स लगा रहे हैं और all that jazz because I think social media ने इतना emphasize कर दिया कि unless कि आपने अपने आप को शो करना है कि भाई मैं बहुत फिट हूँ या बहुत कूल लग रही हूँ या so आप मुझे बताएं where is this generation heading?
देखिए, मैंने कभी भी फिलर्स को, बोटॉक्स को, हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट्स को या whatever cosmetic procedures there are out there, मैंने कभी भी इनको बुरा नहीं कहा.
बिल्कुल ठीक है.
If there is technology that can make you look good
Right.
one way or the other without harming you, if you do it the right way,
Right.
Botox if done right has helped a
Absolutely
lot.
done wonders. बिल्कुल I agree.
And hair transplants has changed lots of lives. I mean, millions of men. It's probably one of the best things for men out there.
Right.
तो इसमें कोई बुराई नहीं है as long as it doesn't define who you are as a person.
Right.
Some people have gone overboard.
Right.
Lots of deaths have happened because they went too extensively into those cosmetic procedures. वरना अगर आप एक दायरे में रह के करें, expert opinion, expert केयर के अंदर करें, guidance के अंदर करें, I have absolutely no problem, and I have never, shamed anybody,
Right.
or stood by the fact that if somebody has gone and done something surgically or cosmetically, let them.
ठीक है. वो minor tweaks तक is fine unless you overdo.
See, the problem comes, like you just mentioned, is when they want it too fast. That is a problem because the body has a time duration. Your muscles have a maturity time,
Right.
age. You need to be on a specific diet. It's a very long road.
Right.
And naturally, nobody wants to go that route anymore.
Right.
So that's where the shortcuts come in, and that's where the problem comes in.
I agree with the shortcuts. चलें ठीक है, cosmetically भी we have seen disasters as well, and not only that, steroid perspective पे भी abuse पे तो we all have seen. But हाँ, I mean अगर आप उसको एक proper training regime program के तरीके से, because shortcuts में फिर लोग समझते हैं ना, अच्छा there is also another myth के people generally say कि अलमदार usually होता है कि when we mostly talk about this, all of that, कि जी मैं बिल्कुल clean फलाना निमकाना, what they're trying to do is वो चाहते हैं कि हमें वो shortcut मिल जाए कि हम जिम ना जाए और हम अपने आप को इंजेक्ट कर दें और बस रातों रात हमारी बॉडी बन जाए लेटर.
See, even if you do inject, like let's take a hypothetical scenario, and
Right.
somebody has access to the best anabolics, the best peptides out
Right.
there. Even if they did end up injecting all of that,
और कुछ नहीं कर रहे.
it won't make much more difference to that. They might increase in strength or something, but muscle tone, जब तक you don't direct the muscle, like the vector and the scalar जो हम छोटे होते physics में पढ़ते थे,
Right.
it doesn't happen this way. There's a lot of hard work involved, even when taking anabolics.
That's exactly my point. क्योंकि लोगों को ये समझाना भी बड़ा मुश्किल होता है. It's very easy for people to come out and comment, oh जी steroid फलाना नहीं खाना. But कहने का मकसद ये है कि it's like everyone also needs to understand कि there is also a lot of hard work and discipline. अभी मैंने आपसे एक सवाल छोटा सा पूछा था जब आप आए. मैंने कहा यार मैं आपके जिम में आता और आप एक्सरसाइज कर रहे होते तो आपने कहा नमदार यार उस टाइम पे शायद तुम ही आते फिर क्योंकि मैं ही आता हूँ. तो आप कितने बजे ट्रेनिंग करते हैं?
I train around 2 or 3 in the morning.
और दिस इज एवरी डे?
Most of the time, yes.
So अच्छा बाय द वे एक और चीज जो आपने मुझे बताई थी about you are a nocturnal, I mean you prefer night time over day time.
Training wise, yes.
Training wise भी और बाकी wishful thinking and vision and planning. आपने जब कोशिश की कि मैं नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग बन सके तो आपने क्या किया?
It fizzled out in a month. It just couldn't happen.
Great.
See, I'm so used to training at a time when it's not crowded.
Right.
The music is not blasting all the way. And, I just enjoy having the machinery vacant.
Right.
So nighttime, it's the more suitable forum for me. Instead of, being a problem for somebody else or, having a beef with somebody, I just distance myself and train at night.
Right. एक important question आजकल is out there would want your input and support because the people out there they also want to know. Ozempic and Mounjaro की बड़ी लंबी एक discussion चल रही है and everybody is preferring कि Ozempic but then उसके बाद लोग बीमार होना शुरू हो गए, तबीयत खराब होना शुरू हो गई and then comes Mounjaro. थोड़ा सा बताएंगे ऑडियंस.
अब तो उससे भी आगे चीज आ
चले आ तो गई है लेकिन जो आवाम आ रही यूज कर रही है अब्यूज कर रही है उसका क्या हो रहा है?
देखिए पहले तो लोग पढ़ाई क्यों नहीं करते कि ये जो इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है ये किस लिए?
Right.
I understand being obese is a problem for a lot of people and sometimes you just don't care about the side effects.
बिल्कुल ठीक है.
If you want something bad enough तो आप forgo कर भी देते हो. Now the problem is once the side effects start coming into plain sight, that is a problem. अब इन जो दो नाम आपने लिए इनका सबसे बड़ा जो associated problem है among digestion issues, eyesight problems is muscle loss.
Right.
So a lot of users you see before and after, अगर आप उनकी तस्वीर देखते हैं आमने सामने रख के, you'll see that they have this sunken face look.
जी बिल्कुल वो झुर्रियाँ टाइप बिल्कुल.
Exactly. They just don't look. It's one thing losing fat,
but they look like a zombie.
Aging another 10-15 years. So that answers your question once again. There's no shortcut to anything. It can help you, yes. And a lot of people argue that they use it under proper supervision. But see, that wasn't the reason it came out in the first place.
Right.
Like many other drugs, they were invented for a different reason. They found out through trial and error that this can be used for that.
Right.
Let's take the most common example of all, like Viagra. It was not meant for an erectile dysfunction treatment. It was for blood pressure.
बिल्कुल ठीक.
So it came into sight. बाद में पता चला गया this has another advantage to it and it helped a lot of people as well.
Right.
तो Mounjaro और Ozempic का जो side effect है अभी हमने उतना नहीं देखा.
Right.
अभी in the next upcoming few months or probably let's take another 12 months,
Right.
we'll have more data and you'll see how horrific it has affected people.
It has.
And then probably people will move on to something more
Else,
and more
yeah.
and more. They've made the money. The companies have.
उन्होंने तो
done the
billions
job.
कर लिए बिल्कुल agreed.
And we fell into this.
The trap. Anyways, एक और चीज मैं आपसे पूछूंगा, very interesting part. Obviously, you've trained a lot of people in the industry, of course, the media industry. थोड़ा सा उस हवाले से जानना चाहूँगा क्योंकि बीच में आपने काफ़ी ट्रेन किया in terms of हमजा को किया, obviously I remember that, फवाद भाई को किया. So अपना experience in terms of the dedication, artist की dedication के हवाले से.
Both of them were highly dedicated. And in spite of having such a short time frame, they gave it the best. हमारे पास इतना वक्त नहीं था जितना शायद लोगों को लगता है. We trained for a few months, but उसके अंदर जो मैं उनसे extract कर सकता था और वो जो मुझे दे सकते थे,
Right.
हमने उसके अंदर कोई कमी नहीं छोड़ी. And I think, mashallah, given the time frame, the results speak for itself. Hamza bhai had to do it twice.
Right.
He had to bulk up for Maula and then he had to cut down for Parvaz.
Junoon, bilkul yaad hai.
Both of them did a tremendous job and mashallah, I couldn't be more happy given the time I had.
Right.
Had I had another couple of months or a more, a
वो
larger
तो पूरी
time,
ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जर्नी वो
it
तो
would have
फिर
been better. But, the time we had, I think job well done.
if somebody wants to reach out to you, obviously we will tag him. A lot of people will have that option, but फिर
It's the easiest thing. You can just reach me on my social media and I get back to almost everybody.
ठीक है. And a lot of people also say एक छोटी सी बात कि हसान भाई आप यार एक तो चार्ज भी बहुत करते हैं. मैं काफी लोगों से पर्सनली भी पूछा. बट ऑब्वियसली आई नो हसान भाई डेडिकेशन से भी, क्योंकि फिर आप वो अगर चार्ज ज्यादा करते हैं तो फिर डंडा भी ज्यादा देते हैं. ये भी मैंने सुना है दोनों. तो लोग दोनों चीजों से भागते हैं. उसका शॉर्टकट क्या है?
ये ज्यादातर वो लोग कहते हैं जिनके हाथ में लेटेस्ट फोन्स भी होते हैं. See, it's about priorities. If they think I charge a lot, so there are lots of other people out there. They can
Right.
easily choose.
Right.
But I do not think, for the record, I don't think I charge that much.
Right.
थोड़ा सा I think इसको ज्यादा लोगों
ने वो कर दिया क्योंकि उन्होंने इस्तेमाल नहीं किया. They didn't use
I
it.
don't train people as actively as I used to before. I just train maybe 2 or 3 people at this point in time.
Very nice.
So it's not like I do it this anymore as I used to a couple of years ago.
Right.
So they can always reach out. Online consultancy is way cheaper.
Very nice.
Online training is way cheaper. So
Right.
I think that could help people if finances is a problem for
Right.
them.
You've also stepped into the industry of making protein bars, etc., etc. थोड़ा सा उस जर्नी के बारे में बताएं. Being an entrepreneurial side.
Alhamdulillah, market में protein supplements बहुत थे. We had every sort of supplement, all of them which you could imagine. There was only one thing missing.
Right.
And me being in the field, मैंने खुद भी इस चीज़ को महसूस किया. There was no protein bar which could taste like a dessert.
Right.
So I wanted, and the team wanted,
Right.
and our chef, all of them had to come up with this protein bar जिसको खा के आप बता ही ना पाएंगे ये प्रोटीन बार खाया आपने या
Yeah,
आपने
chocolate खाइए.
कोई चॉकलेट खाई है कोई पेस्ट्री खाई है.
Right. Absolutely.
So the response has been absolutely phenomenal. मैं अल्लाह का जितना शुक्र अदा करूँगा मैं.
Right.
And I would send a box to you as well. I would love to know how you like it.
Absolutely. I would show
We
you.
recently came out with a new flavor as well, our 3rd flavor.
Right.
And mashallah, the way people have loved it, children loved it the most. मेरा जो पहला टेस्ट मार्केट था वो adults पे था ही नहीं.
अच्छा, best
I
है.
tested it on children.
Best.
And once they loved it, I knew we had the right product.
Awesome. I would love to have the new flavor at least come in. Asan bhai, bas last आपसे, with all the people out there जो कि dreamers हैं, all the kids, all the younger generation, Facebook, social media generation, what do you have one thing that you've learned so far being a dreamer and living the dream now कि आखिर एक मैसेज जो आप काश आपको किसी ने पहले दिया होता and you
Dreaming
to be where you are right now because you are probably living someone else's
you just have to be very patient. You just have to be very patient, and there is this process you have to go through. आप उस process को bypass नहीं कर सकते. तो ये मैं आपके इस प्लेटफॉर्म से सबको बता दूं जितने सुनने वाले हैं.
Right.
You cannot bypass that process. आपको उस रोड से गुजरना है, and if you stand tall by the end of it, nothing can stop you from reaching the dream that you have in mind. But please be ready for that process. It won't just skip the line.
Right.
You can't skip the line. Even if you have the resources, the things you learn along the way, they're not going to come to you. They're not going to be handed over to you. सबर बहुत रखना है. और अगर सबर और उस सड़क के एंड तक आप पहुंच गए और खड़े रह गए, बेशक you're bruised, बेशक you're heartbroken. That's fine. But if you're standing, you're the last man standing at the end of that road.
Right.
Nobody can stop you from reaching and achieving whatever you want in life.
Great. Well, thank you, Hasan bhai, for being a part of the show and giving us all the messages. I think you've come a long way. We look forward on the inspiration and the aspirations.
It
from
goes
you.
for both of us.
Thank you, sir.
Alhamdulillah, congratulations on all of your success.
Thank you, brother.
It's an honor to watch each other grow over the last decade or so.
Bishak.
I've been, we've known each other for a long time now.
Yeah.
So congratulations to you as well and to your family on your amazing success.
Thank you, brother.
And I wish them all the best and you for the future as
Thank
well.
you. Thank you. Well, this was Hasan bhai, and surely he has given you a lot of wisdom. And obviously, for me, I've always been inspired by his work and what he's done so far. Anyways, you surely can leave the comments behind, and we'll get in touch with you again. Till then, we're sharing all the links below. You can also look around if you want an actual fitness regime that you want to follow. You can reach out to him. Till then, take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.